In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to bulk delete all WordPress comments. Often, WordPress sites attract a lot of spam comments, especially if they're publicly accessible. These comments can be irrelevant, promotional, or even contain malicious links. Bulk deleting spam comments helps maintain the quality and integrity of the website. In order to do so, you need to install this plugin named Delete All Comments of WordPress. I've already installed it and activated it, but if you need help installing a plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to configure the plugin, hover over Tools and click on Delete Comments. Here you can see the plugin offers various settings. You can simply select the box beside all comments, and as you can see, all the comments are displayed here. All these will be deleted once we hit the Delete Now button. Let's move back to the comments window and check the changes. You can see this is how easy it is to bulk delete all comments in WordPress. Before you go, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.